So this is the essence of what we're going to do. Find the discriminant. Number of type of solutions, find the answer. Okay, so first the equation has to equal 0. So I need to subtract the 20. Identify your A, B, and C. A is 1, B is negative 8, C is negative 20. Find the discriminant. Discriminant is B squared minus 4AC. Okay, 144 is positive, and it's a square, so that tells me we're going to have two real rational solutions. Plug it in. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of the discriminant over 2a. Square root of 144 is 12. Remember, you're going to have two different types of solutions when it's rational. One where you add, the other where you subtract. So 8 plus 12 is 20, divided by 2 is 10. 8 minus 12 is negative 4, divided by 2 is negative 2. Alright, let's get that 12 over to the other side. It's got to equal 0. Identify the A. This time the A is a 2, B, and a C. Discriminant. B squared minus 4AC. Discriminant is 121, positive, and it's a square. Two real rational solutions. Now I can go in and solve. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of the discriminant over 2a. Two different solutions when you've got that rational. When you add, when you subtract. So negative 7 plus 11 is 4, divided by 4 is 1. Negative 7 minus 11 is negative 18, divided by 4 would be negative 9 halves. F of x equals 3x squared minus 12, right? So get the equation equals 0. Remember, f of x is just fancy y, so replace f of x with 0. Identify the a, the b, and the c. So the a, I have the c, the b is missing, so it must be 0. All right, discriminant. B squared minus 4ac. You've seen 144, that's positive and a square. We have two real rational solutions. Solve. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of the discriminant over 2a. I don't really need a 0. This will be plus or minus 12 over 6. You have one for the positive 12 over 6 and one for the negative 12 over 6. So that one's negative 2. Where am I going with that? And that one's positive 2. All right, get the equation equals 0. Identify the A, the B, and the C. There's the A. There's the B. C is missing. Okay. Now, I would not use quadratic formula on this one because it factors really well. It's got a GCF of x, and I can solve it. But quadratic formula works. B squared minus 4AC. Well, that's 9. 2 real and rational solutions. X equals negative B plus or minus the square root of the discriminant all over 2A. Okay, 2 solutions. One where we add the 3. And one where we subtract the 3. So that one's 0. This one is 6 over 8, which is 3/4.